string Pluralize JavaScript series. Inside the app.js, create a function string Pluralize, receive some parameters, counts, strings, suffix by default s, then include count true, let res equal to string, then count if greater than 1, in that case show suffix, another case show only empty string. After that, if include count equal to true, in that case add count with result, other case return only result. Let's see with two examples. String Pluralize 0 box es as a suffix and here is 2. Just difference between 0 and 2. Let's see. We can see here 0 box and 2 boxes. Let's see another example. 4 boxes with false value. We can see here now count not included as we mentioned here. Count false, in that case return only results without counts. Now members 1 and 11 members. Let's see the result. 1 member and 11 members. I hope you like this video. Goodbye.